The club's been in existence in various forms since 1866. It's one of the older clubs in England, and it's a very important part of who people from Chesterfield and North Derbyshire feel they are and how they identify. I'm Ashley Kirk, I'm the chairman at the football club. There's two sides to having a successful football club. There's having on the pitch, which is obviously important, but then off the pitch there was investment needed in the ground. We were conscious that things needed to improve to enable fans to enjoy, good football, but also when they came here they would think, actually, I'm proud of the ground as well as the team. And then it's like, okay, how close can we get to replicating that Premier League experience in our stadiums? From a fan engagement point of view, it was important for us to be able to improve the experience in the concourses for starters. Being able to show sport in there, being able to advertise offers that we had on the concourse and communicate with all these people who came in the door, which we weren't able to do before.
Well, the challenge was working with older hardware and software. One, to save a lot of time and just have it all in one central location that was easy enough for not just me to use, but other members of staff here at the club. We mainly use the digital signage. That's a big part of what we use now, and also the IPTV, that gets used a lot, so not just in the hospitality and the concourses, but also in our offices. We started using a lot of the Sky products as well, so like Sky Sports. So on match days with the Sky Brightbox, we're now able to have a different channel on every single TV, which is very beneficial to us. On match days, we tend to have the general LRAP displayed on all the TVs in the concourses and upstairs. And they display all the fixtures that are upcoming, and also a countdown to kick-off in the bottom right corner.
The team are constantly coming up with new inventory that we didn't have before that we can sell to sponsors, and sponsors recognise that they're getting in front of 8,500 people every Saturday. And they love that as well.
We use a lot of the events triggers within Uniguest Sports Hub. We have all different ones set up, whether it's a free kick, a penalty, goal celebrations, substitutions, our half-time 50-50 draw as well, whether someone's in the concourse buying a pint, they can still see whether they've won or not.
For Chesterfield as a club, it's all about trying to balance investment on the pitch with investment off it, improve the brand, improve the club, generate sort of long-term support. My wish, as soon as I went into this, was to have everyone who's born and brought up in Chesterfield to be a Chesterfield supporter, rather than a supporter of a Premier League club and then, they're our second team. And we are getting there. Crowds have more than doubled, so we're now averaging 8,500 for home games, which is exceptional. We do fan surveys, and our net score has gone up dramatically over the last year. The return on investment has already been very, very good. We're very pleased with it, shall we say. Uniguest and the product that you have has helped us, certainly over the last 2 years, improve things dramatically.
Well, it's been very good. They're always very helpful with any problems that we ever had, and they came down and helped install the kit for us to get it all up and running, and showed us how to use it as well. Well, it's a great place to work, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a fan of the club, it genuinely is. With club moving forward all the time with initiatives like this, and also on the pitch as well, like with our recent promotion back to the Football League.
The football club plays a big part in local pride, and it's a privilege to be involved in it. You do good stuff, good things will happen.